Sorry about that, guys. So, we're back on the video. Let's see what we got on the TV.
You want a medium pizza?
Yeah. What are we getting? Pepperoni?
Let me see if they deliver.
A go for J-Lo? Apparently, yes.
Jennifer Lopez.
Insiders blabbing that someone was trying to sabotage Idol with stories that Jennifer Lopez was being too big of a diva and was demanding too much money to sit at judges' table.
Watch out, you catch fire up here.
The real buzz is that J-Lo has inked a $12 million deal and has signed on for 1 year. Oh, and expects her to be the nice one.
I guess I come from the Paula school of criticism.
So, but that's it. She's ordering the pizza. Just watching this, some stuff about Jennifer Lopez.
Alright, the last piece of the puzzle, rumored to be Aerosmith frontman Steven Tyler.
That's mostly it. Thanks. Peace. Bye.